2 simple simple photography. For no reason. Okay, YouTube. Boop-a-doop. Are you gonna load or take your dear sweet time? Cool. Alright. Sure, I can't hear myself. Control C and Control V. We were in programming, right? Yeah, I believe so. And featured and go. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Just kind of crashed there. Computer just went kaput. So, and I have no idea why. It just did. It was like, nope, I don't want to do this today. Goodbye. Oh, and we lost everything. Really? Blueprint editor. Let's double check and make sure that this all worked. Okay. Good. Well, we're not completely SOL. That's good. Just lost a little bit of progress, but that's all right. That is okay. Okay, Control C. Scene capture 2D. Select. We'll call it scene cap this time. Just to make things different. Bam. Did I don't. I just realized I'm in the wrong thing. Yeah, I'm in the wrong thing. Ah, lovely. None, scene color's fine. Okay. Everything's broken. Is basically what I'm getting here. Nothing wants to work. Hey, how's it going, Zigdaz? Oh, thank you. I'm actually fairly new to all of this. I mean, I've done it for a few years, but it's been more of a side project, and I haven't really put this much time and effort into making these type of things. So we were in the wrong thing there. So yeah, if you have any pointers or anything like that, I would greatly appreciate that. What in the world? Oh, never mind. Apparently it has to reboot or something here. I don't know. Okay, which one is this? Not now. Hopefully it saved all the things. because I didn't save properly before the computer crash. So yeah. Let's just hope. Cross our fingers here. See, sometimes my computer crashes, but that's because it has to update for some reason. Because it can't just give me a notification, hey, I need an update. No, it just like, nope, I'm not working until I get updated. Which has almost caused me to update to Windows 10. But I'm also... I don't want to do Windows 10 just yet. Restore selected. Okay, that's fine. Oh, no problem. I was saying maybe we could collaborate and I could learn from you and you could learn from me, basically, in a long roundabout way. Okay. I have to hide the watch me work chat here just for a second so that I can look up how I did this before, because I don't remember. Okay, capture a 2D texture. No. Okay, make the studio, that's fine. Create a material. Okay. Set this color to a emissive color. That's not... Yes. Yes. I've done all that. Save what it captures. Size X and size Y. That would be this one. And we want 640 by 480. Yeah. Okay. And for some reason it's not showing up, and I don't know why. Now back to our capture blueprint. Save. Go back to our capture blueprint. Details. I think. Erg. I got this to work. Promise you. Then everything got all messed up. Okay. It's weird. Turned out a lot darker over here than I thought it would. Which is fine, I suppose. Okay. So this is simple camera. I don't know exactly what happened here, because it should... Okay. Do. I actually use Discord primarily. It's, in my opinion, a lot better than Skype, aside from you can't share video. But yeah, I think I have my email down in the description here. Let me check. Oh. Back. I'm still alive, yeah? Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, under contact me is my email. So if you want to just shoot me an email, and then we can figure out a good way to do that. Who's room for that? Yes, that's fine. Okay. It really irritates me that I just did this and it worked, and then I try and do it on stream and it doesn't. Like, what was the point of even doing it the first time if it's not going to work anymore? Okay, let's start from the beginning here. Blueprints. Render target, yes. I need you to get it from that. Why are you not? Haha! There we go. Okay, good. Okay, rendered matte. Okay, and texture sample. Emissive color, you are the rendered target. Apply and save. Hopefully we don't crash this time. Yeah. Ta-da! Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? We also need a camera blocking volume out that way, I think. Yep. So, now what we're going to do is add in a widget blueprint. And this is overlay, I guess we could call it. Open this, grab our image. We are going to be 640 by 480. Oh, whoops. My bad. Wrong one. 5480. And on the Y, we're gonna be centered like so. Yeah. And this is our rendered view. Yeah. Sure. Why not? Okay. From there. Oh, wait. Go back over here, change our image to the rendered material. That's fine. Compile and save. Okay. Open our level blueprint. Capture. On pressed. Create widget. Select our widget, which is overlay. Get player controller. The details panel just sometimes can be ridiculous. Okay, and add to viewport. Bam. And remove all widgets. Like so. Compile. Now, hopefully, this will work. Or it'll be completely broken. Either way. Also, you will never ever be possessed. Wait, you actually do receive input as well, right? Our blueprint editor. What has happened that has caused bad things to happen here? Okay. Back here. Stop. Save. What has happened to cause this to go wrong? Play. Well, it possesses this. Start with tick enabled, yes. Let's double check our inputs. Allow rotation is right mouse button, yes. Mouse X and mouse Y. And zoom, that's fine. And left mouse button. Try building it, I guess. And double check to make sure that we're not playing we are playing royalty-free music, which is good. Fantastic. I'm gonna also go ahead and turn on the chat again. So now I play. I don't. Okay. Fine. Be that way. Auto possess player 0. Play. Set to true. For some reason, this is not wanting to work. Try adding it in again. Right mouse button. Do I just have to redo all of these? Because it got corrupted, basically? Okay. That's fine. That's an easy fix. Project settings, okay. Input, access mappings, let's just duplicate these. that is our mouse X, yeah. And this is zoom. I really wish my computer didn't crash. 'Cause now I don't know exactly what got messed up here. Okay, so I guess capture would be wrong too, maybe? Oh, I didn't connect these up again. Huh. Okay, and input axis up and down. Well, I got the rotation like that. Good. What happened? Should be pitch, yeah. Compile, save, play. It's broken. Oh, and that's my full hour up. Huh. Well. That sucks. See, I'm trying to figure out exactly why this doesn't want to work. Because it, by this definition, if I click, it should show up, but it's not. Blueprints, open level blueprint. Let's just minimize that. Play. now if we play? I guess we can try re-adding it. Is it just not showing up because the overlay... No, it should be. Jaws image is enabled. Is visible. Should I just delete the overlay and redo it? I think I'm gonna probably do an 1.5 to 2 hour stream today, because there's a lot of things that I want to get done, and this is kind of a minor snag in our plan, but I think we can get through it. Camera overlay. Add an image. Our image is going to be the rendered material. And size is 640 by 480. Good. Sure, good enough. Compile, save, and play. Something is seriously wrong here. Let's just do something really dumb just to test it out. Yeah, it's not even showing up. Okay. Well, that would be why. I wonder, could it possibly, just possibly, could it be this one screwing everything up? We delete that. Compile. Play. Yep. That's what it was. Okay. So I need to figure out a way to move the other camera in the same way that I'm moving this one so that it follows the same rotation, right? Which I honestly think I could do that in the level blueprint. Which means I'd have to move everything for this one into the level blueprint, which is never fun. Delete. So, compile, save. Save all the things, play. But that's how you do, like if you wanted to do like a security camera or something, that's your best way to do it. Because I think if we rotate this and just add a blueprint, event graph, event tick. Set world rotation. Get world rotation. Break. And make. pile. Should be rotating. But yeah, that's the way to do like a security camera or something. Are those clouds moving? Looks like the clouds are moving. Yeah. So, now to figure out how I can move said camera here. I wonder, actually, let's go ahead and do an empty actor. Right at the center of this one, pretty much, yeah. And this is rotate second camera. So that is related to that. And if I rotate this, it rotates the whole thing. Good. Okay. I think we need to click on here. Second cam. Create blueprint. Okay. Think graph. Actually, I think we want to go back to our level blueprint, yeah? I think that's what we want to do. So here, get actor rotation. Set actor rotation. That and select the I think that's all I needed to do is come over here and click on that, right? And the tick. Boom. I think that's all I need to do now that I think about it. However, that doesn't seem to be working. Probably because I already have an event tick in here somewhere. Maybe. Maybe it's something so simple. Alright. Sequence here. I'm gonna do a little bit of debugging here real quick. Print string. Okay, and Control C, Control V. Break. Because we're only really paying attention to the Y or the Z right now. And target is this one. Control C, Control V. File, play. Okay, so that is actually rotating it. The frames are not updating the picture though. So I do believe all that is clicking on here, going to our settings here, and info is 0. Play. It's not constantly changing this picture. Rage mode activated. Let's go ahead and close out all this other crap, because I think we're good to go. Render material. Wait, are you not linked anymore? That would be why. Haha! For some reason it's a little bit wonky. And kind of like a fisheye lens, but sure. It works. Kinda. Oh, that lens flare. Okay. Good. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is do a little bit of a mask around the rest of it in our blueprint here, our widget blueprint, that is. And basically what we're going to do is an image. I think it's an image that we want. $50, $50, $50. Doesn't really matter how much we do it. Hierarchy though is this image is before this image, and this is the mission. Okay, so basically this is going to completely omit everything else in the scene, or at least dim it. I think we're gonna go with the dim to it. So, okay. And okay. So, compile, save, play. Yeah. All right, fantastic. That's almost the way I want it to be. Wow, the sun looks really far away. It's a little bit brighter than everything else. It's almost like it's got a huge specular or huge diffuse on it. Huh. Interesting. So we almost have that all situated. Awesome. I think I am going to take a quick break. So please stay tuned. Hope you guys are enjoying what I've come up with so far. Yeah, I will be right back in probably 5-ish minutes. So, see you guys in a few minutes. And we are back. So, from here, I want to be able to move this camera around. But in order to do that, let's go ahead and open the blueprint for this one. And let's go ahead and get zoom is what I called it. Nope, get zoom. No, no. That's not it at all. I did the same thing twice. Did you see that? It was beautiful. Okay, set zoom. Weird. Okay, set actor relative location. No, that's relative to the root component. Okay. Set world location, yes. Get world location. Break link. Okay, how many times can we zoom in is the next question to ask. I think what I want to do is add in just an empty. I guess it can be an actor, I suppose. Let's go into top view first of all. Zoom 1. Just kind of match this up, and then we will go to the left, I suppose. Like that. Okay, and from the right, or actually from the front, yeah. Probably just move it up one, and then Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. I think we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 settings? Maybe 4. I think 4 might be enough. And Control C, Control V to our base. Yeah. Oh, you can actually measure things from this point of view. I didn't know that. Okay. So, now what we need to do is 1, 2, 3, 4. You will all also go under this one. Yeah? Okay. So, since I'm doing it this way, we're gonna go into our level blueprint again. And oh, you can just get the... I did not know you could do that. Awesome! Good to know. Okay, so when we zoom, we want to go back to our simple camera. We're actually going to teleport. So all of these. I just want to know how much the value changes real quick. Okay, so it does a steady setup vector. Very cool. What am I missing? Because I saw some things running that probably shouldn't have been, I don't think. Maybe? I don't know. Let's see. That's good. Okay. So it's just going up by a 1, right? Equals not vector. Is equal to 1. Control C, Control V. Go there, and I think we'll just do that. -1. Okay. This means that whenever we zoom in, it's going to I think we need to make a new variable, actually. And this is going to be zoom locator, probably. That seems like a decent name for it. It's going to be a float. It's editable. Compile. Okay. I think we want to set get zoom locator plus float. -1. Okay. Yes. And Control C, Control V. Copy this and make it a positive value, and then we will be good to go there, I think. Yes. Okay. Let's close this details panel. That way we can actually see what we're doing. Event tick. Oh. Well, there's where the print string was. I knew I did it, I just didn't know where. Okay, let's do a sequence within the sequence. Okay. So, if we have 4 zooms, and then we also have minimum and maximum? Yes. Get. Two. 1. Teleport. Good. Now we need to select the simple camera actor, which is over here. Yeah. Oh, it's already selected. Go figure. Context sensitive, simple camera, like so. Shoop. Let's go ahead and move this out for right now. My computer's running high, and I don't know why, because it's not warm or anything. And then we want to, this is 1, right? So that's this one. Damn it. Bam. And essentially we're just gonna do this repeatedly. Change out, or let's move our zoom over that way. Probably will be best. Move that down. Control C and Control B. Line that up. Put that here. Make this 2. Bam. Create a reference and put that there. And Control B. This is 3. Oh, I see. So Control B. Not what I wanted to do. Bam. Bam. We'll just do it the right way. Move this all down, Control B. Zero. Okay, so we have 4 options basically. So this would be this one here. Technically that's zoom 4, okay. I should change the name of that for sure. That could get confusing. Okay. Now all we want to do is this. Control B. C. If zoom locator is less than or equal to 0, right? Yeah. True. Essentially, it's just gonna be bam. Run that. And same thing here, except for this is greater than or equal to. And we're gonna go to the last one here. Very convoluted, but it works. So, bam. File, Save, play. Yeah. Ta-da! Okay, we are good to go then. So now we have a zoom function. I still need to tweak where the cameras are, so that they're exactly the same, because at the moment they're not. So, just a little something we have to figure out here. I'm not entirely sure how I can do that, honestly. I mean, I guess I could center it, technically. Let's go front. So we move it to right there. So the line's directly on that. And that is 600. Okay. That doesn't look right. And I don't think I scaled it either. How does that make any sense? Alright, 1, 2. One. Oh good, I can break the... Okay, well that's something to work on, for sure. I guess we should have the option to change the exposure too, shouldn't we? I just remembered something. Break link, true, set, zoom locator to 4, and Control C, Control B, to 0. 5. There we go. Now. That didn't work. Do I just need to connect these up? I think I do. It's weird, you can actually get different perspectives when you zoom in. Interesting. I think I like my way better. Or the way I had it before better. Anyway. So we'll do that. Bye. So basically, unless you royally scroll in, then it'll take a little bit to scroll back out. Basically. Yeah. It's amazing that you can do that. That's kind of cool. Okay. Past that, I want to be able to move around the screen and just take like a really small portion of that picture. So that's the next step, I suppose. Or we could just leave it as is, and just kind of tweak it to where it limits so that it doesn't end up flipping over. I don't know. Something to think about. But I think that's going to do it for today. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have enjoyed. Yeah. Have a good one. Also, if you enjoyed this content, please be sure to like, follow, and subscribe, depending on what platform you're on. Other than that, I think that is going to be it for today. So enjoy the rest of the song here, and have a good one. Bye-bye.